Hi everyone, I'm Inëz Czymbor, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Wobbuffet out of balloons. I originally picked up this design from this URL here, so if you'd like to see the tutorial in picture form, you can find it here. Let's get started. So for this shape, you'll need 3 balloons. You'll need 2 260s in light blue, and you'll need 1 260 in black. First things first, you're going to blow this one up to probably about 6 finger lengths. Like so. Then you're going to make a lock twist that is 6 inches in height. Then, make another 6-inch lock twist. Like so. Then, you're going to twist them together, kind of like with a bird body. Should look something like this. Then you're going to make a set of 2 2-inch lock twists. Take the remainder of your balloon and tuck it into the larger twists. This will be Wobbuffet's body. Now we're going to make the arms. Take your other balloon and blow it up about halfway. Next, what you're going to do is about 2 to 3 inches into the balloon, you're going to make a pinch twist. Measure about another 4 inches into the balloon and twist it. Then, take Wobbuffet's body and put this part inside 2 of the larger twists. It should look something like this. Now, take this side of the balloon and make another pinch twist. Then, measure about 2 to 3 inches to the end of the balloon and twist it off. This is Wobbuffet's arms. Finally, we're going to make the tail using the black balloon. Blow the black balloon up about 1/3 of the way. It should look something like this. Now, measure about halfway and get rid of the rest of the balloon. Take this nozzle and attach it into the 2 smaller lock twists. It should look something like this. Finally, let's draw the face. And here you are. Here is your Wobbuffet, complete with the face on the tail. Thank you so much for watching this week. I hope to see you soon. Happy twisting. That was his stomach.
Just digesting that wonderful pickle.
They're like these huge, like, monster pickles.
Just like a brick of pickle. It's a brickle.
A brickle.
Yes, I would like one brickle, please.
What?
I love it. I love it.